really excited to share with you another large family grocery haul. This time I'm going to share with you some items that we picked up for my husband's weight loss journey, and I did shopping at a couple of stores, but these are all online pickup orders, or I've had them shipped. Welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited to share with you another large family grocery haul. This time I'm going to share with you some items that we picked up for my husband's weight loss journey, and I did shopping at a couple of stores, but these are all online pickup orders, or I've had them shipped because we did a curbside order from Sam's Club, and then we did a curbside order. We actually had delivery from Sally's Beauty Supply. We had a curbside order from, a delivery order from Walmart Plus. So that came delivered in a couple of ways that you'll see here in the video. And then we had an order from Hy-Vee that was also delivered to our house. So a couple of different ways that we're having things ordered. Anyway, let's get into the haul. Don't forget, if you like videos like this, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to click that subscribe button if you're not already, and hit the bell for notifications so you never miss when one of my videos drops. All right, let's get into this. First part of this haul that I got is from Hy-Vee, and I had this delivered to our house. So I'll start there. They had the best price on milk right now. Walmart is currently almost $4 a gallon for milk, where Hy-Vee was closer to $3 a gallon. I think it's, well, let me check my receipt and see. Hy-Vee was $2.64 for a gallon of milk. So we ended up purchasing 4 gallons of milk and had them delivered to the house. And then this is for my husband. So part of his diet is pre-making some of these soups. And so he got some sodium-free granulated chicken bouillon. He got 2 of those, so that gives him 16 packets of that. That should last him for a while. And then he got some of the spring mix lettuce. So it's got the baby lettuce, baby greens, and radicchio. So I don't know what that is. I've not had it before. And then some baby Bella mushrooms. He picked those up. And then some kale. 2 things of iceberg lettuce. So we're probably going to have to get another couple of those. I think they must have been out because he was supposed to order 4. So, but right now we have the 2 that'll get us through for a little bit. And then he got a thing of cabbage. I know this is for one of his soups that he's making. So I'm curious to see how that turns out. And I think he forgot I'm already growing green onions in the background that are on their 2nd summer. So they are already sprouted and fresh and ready to go. So I'll have to remind him we have some of those in the back, so he doesn't need to pick any up. But for now, he'll just use those up. And then we picked up some Kool-Aid for the kids for the summer. He got 2, 4, 6, 7 packages of the strawberry, it looks like. And then 2 packages of pink lemonade. So I'm guessing they substituted for a couple of things. And then 4 packages of the cherry Kool-Aid. This stuff was actually shipped from Walmart because I'm now a Walmart Plus member. So part of my order will be delivered today and part of it'll be shipped. Was shipped yesterday, which really surprised me because I put the order in yesterday and it was already here. And then some of it's going to come on Monday as well. So, okay, so I ended up with a big thing of OxyClean and then 4 packages of the orange early rise drink packets. Those are for me. And then 4 of the acai blueberry. I use these with my workout stuff. And then 4 of the peach mango energy packets, and then 4 of the blackberry lemonade. And then I have said for a while that this has been hard to find, the white cheddar popcorn seasoning. It's been hard to find in the stores. However, when I put in my order and I said go ahead and ship I think it was like 40 items that could be shipped to me, this was one of the items I could have shipped, and I was able to get both of them that I ordered. So I have one for pantry and one for current use. And then I ended up picking up 2 things of popcorn. Now, normally I buy 6 at a time, but as I was doing my grocery budget, as everyone knows, I'm sure, and has felt the effects of inflation, things have gone up. So normally my popcorn would be under $1.50. Currently, at the price that things are at now, my popcorn was almost $2 a bag. So I would normally budget to get 6 of those in there. And because of the way groceries have risen, I opted, since this isn't a necessity and this is something I like to have on hand for snacking, I opted to just go with 1 for backstock and 1 for current use. So once I use one of these up, when I put my next grocery order in, I'm gonna keep in mind when I'm doing my budgeting that I didn't stack up my pantry the way that I like to. And so I'm gonna go ahead and add another 2 on to my next order as long as I remember. But that is my plan. So I'll probably just go throw that on the grocery list, so that way I can get my stock back up to where I like it, but I'm not cutting into my grocery budget too much. So that's what I purchased. There was 2 of the things of popcorn seeds, because we were actually, believe it or not, out of our back stock. So I think I will be rethinking how I do my pantry ordering currently, and I think I will be ordering a little bit differently, like maybe not letting the supply get quite as low as I had with the way the grocery prices are sitting now. Okay. And then the next thing that I got shipped to me from Walmart was 4 things of black cherry lemonade, or I mean black cherry Kool-Aid, 4 things of grape Kool-Aid, and then 4 things of the tropical punch. So, and if you noticed, I picked up some Kool-Aid this time, which I do like to keep Kool-Aid in the house. I prefer drink packets and stuff for the kids, but I'm gonna mix it up a little bit. Like I said, inflation is taking a cut into a lot of budgets, and it is ours as well. And during the summer, my kids go through a lot of drinks and stuff. So I kind of switched it up between some water bottles and some Kool-Aid for them this summer, instead of all just the drink packets, because to stock up the way I used to, the prices on these have raised by probably about 50 cents a box. So think about the way I used to purchase these compared to what you see now. Before, you might see a whole line on the table, possibly even 2, but that just wasn't within my budget. I want to be able to keep much more fresh food items in the house. So when you see the rest of the order, which we do not have in yet, you'll see why and see where I actually put my budget too. All right, everybody. So as I was looking through my order, I was wrong. I realized I actually have a couple more things coming that'll be delivered in the next few days. So I will try to remember to add that on, but it's stuff like popcorn oil and some drink mixes, things like that. So if I remember, I will add those on to this video. But let's get into the Sam's Club part of the haul. So I got a big thing of their toilet paper. We did go back to using that. My kids just really like it better. It's much softer. So, and then I was due for some more Bounce. It's been a while since I've bought this. I got the big 2-pack, so that'll last us for a long time. I got 3 cases of the Aquafina water, and then a 2-pack of the Miracle Whip. So 1 will go in the fridge because we're out, and 1 will be pantry backstock. I love to get my tortillas through them. It's way more cost effective to get them through Sam's Club. I think these are 40. You get 40 in here. It's over 5 pounds of tortillas. And then I got these little fajita size ones because I'll put these on our little sandwich maker and make the kids little quesadillas for lunch. And then I finally needed some more of my Suavitel, so I picked that up. I think that's how you pronounce it. And then I finally ran out of chocolate chips, so I picked up another thing of those. So that's my baking supplies being restocked. And then some strawberries for the kids to snack on, and my husband's diet, seedless grapes, same reasons. I finally ran out of the bacon crumbles. We've had them forever, so I always get this big pack. And this is for like salads and stuff. So this is not turkey bacon, but I like these for like just a quick, if I need to add bacon, or sometimes when I make cracked chicken, I'll throw some of that in. We got some cauliflower, bananas, some garden salad mix, celery sticks, broccoli florets, cosmic crisp apples. We got some of the Fuji apples, and then some oranges. So lots of healthy eating and snack foods in here for my husband and the kids. So that is our Sam's Club part of the order. Okay, so the last part of the haul, I finally got my delivery items in, you guys. These came via FedEx. I got a big thing of Tang, and then a big thing of the Great Value lemonade. So I'm gonna try this out and see how comparable it is to Country Time. And then I ordered 4 packets of the the blue raspberry lemonade, and then some of the popcorn oil, because that stuff has not been readily available in the stores. The Tang I haven't been able to get at either our Sam's Club or in our local Walmart stores, and it was way more expensive to order it through our local Hy-Vee store. So this was a better option to have these shipped. And with the Walmart Plus, and no, this isn't sponsored in any way, but with the Walmart Plus, I can select to have items shipped. So I had like a bunch of the items shipped that I know that I have issues finding in the store, and then the rest I just had delivered from my local store. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. And don't forget to click the subscribe button if you're not already, and click the bell for notifications so you never miss when one of my videos drops.